Okay, so we've got an update video here on the FZ600. Spent the last day or so tearing some stuff down on it and removing the battery and the battery box. And you're gonna see the condition of stuff down in here. This is just it's all the corrosion and the residue from the battery connection and moisture. This would have all had to be cleaned up anyway. But the issue I'm having is I cannot get this throttle cable down here. I don't know if you can see it from. It's actually. Where is it? It just will not. Just won't move. There it is. It just will not. The mechanism that opens up all the butterfly valves will not turn, and you can see. Sorry to turn it upside down there, but I just can't get any movement on the carbs. So they're all gummed up. This is some residue here that is just real sticky and nasty. So we're gonna have to remove the carburetors and service them, get them cleaned up and get them moving again before we can even think of getting this thing started. So got a new battery for it. Just in the process of sorting out the rusty tank and the gummed up. When I say carbs are gummed up, they're so gummed up that the throttle can't even open them up down here. So that's the end of that update. Hopefully we'll be farther along when we film our next one.